Hello, everyone. So, first of all, thank you so much for all your nice comments about the Blackbird video and my voiceovers in general. That really means a lot to me. And I am blown away by the numbers of subscribers. I usually don't look at numbers, but wow, you're nearly 100 people. Who are you? Where are you from? I would love to get to know you better, so maybe you leave me a comment and telling me something about you? That would be so nice. My hubby and I went to a reptile and insects exchange fair. I always buy frozen mice for my snake there, and this time I was looking for emerald cockroaches, jumping spiders, or a tarantula. But this time we only took the frozen mice home. The fair took place next to the Kuppelsaal, which is Dome Hall in English. The town hall was built from 1911 to 1914 and is the largest classical concert hall in Germany with 3,642 seats, and behind the Kuppelsaal is the city park. My cherry tree is in full bloom and it looks amazing. Also, the bird cherry and the lilac. I also picked some wild garlic. And can you see all the brown stuff on the leaves? That is dust from the Sahara. And when it's raining, everything is dirty. And then, of course, we were in the woods, and oh my god, everything is getting green. It grows like crazy. All the trees have their leaves. It just looks beautiful. In the winter time, you can see pretty far into the woods and you can see also the sky. Now you kind of feel more protected. It's just like being under a roof. Right now, we have a lot of these yellow fields, which are rapeseed fields, and oh, it just looks so pretty. This tree I call the pregnant tree. I'm not really sure what this thing is. It is hollow in some areas and it just looks weird. But good, right? These flowers are lily of the valley, and some say that you can mix them up with wild garlic. But the leaves of the wild garlic have individual stems, and the flower is completely different. And for me, the biggest difference is the smell. You smell wild garlic, and if not, something's wrong with your nose. Look at these tiny oak leaves and the flower of the oak. This is one of my poor boxwood bushes. All these caterpillars of the boxwood borer eat the bushes, and they are an invasive species, and no bird or other animal eats these caterpillars. You can only use poison to get rid of them, I guess, but I don't want to do that. We also met with friends from our car club. We ate burger and had a nice talk, and when I was home, I saw and heard a big cockchafer, the first this year, and I think they sound like helicopters when they fly away. Thank you all for watching. Bye.